High in the heart of Asia, where the earth scrapes the sky, lies a road like no other, twisting through perilous cliffs, brushing against glaciers, and shadowed by giants. This is the Karakoram Highway. The Karakoram Highway, or KKH, is the highest paved international road in the world. It stretches over 1,300 kilometers, linking Pakistan and China across the mighty Himalayas. This isn't just a road, it's a marvel of human willpower. Construction began in 1959, a joint venture between Pakistan and China. It took nearly 20 years to complete, with thousands of workers battling landslides, altitude sickness, and extreme cold. Many lost their lives in the process. The mountain took its toll, but the road was built. Today, the highway runs from Hassan Abdul, near Islamabad, all the way to Kashgar in China's Xinjiang province. As it climbs north, it weaves through Gilgit-Baltistan. Along the way, it passes through breathtaking landscapes: Hunza Valley, Nagar, Pasu Cones, and the Khunjerab Pass at over 15,000 feet. Travelers on the Karakoram Highway can even catch glimpses of K2, the world's second highest peak. It stands like a sentinel, watching over the region with icy majesty. But the Karakoram Highway isn't just about mountains and engineering feats. It's about people, cultures, connection. For locals, it's a lifeline, bringing trade, tourism, and access to remote villages once lost to time. In Pakistan, many refer to it simply as the Friendship Highway, a symbol of cooperation between two nations, China and Pakistan. That spirit of friendship is still alive today, with the highway playing a central role in the China-Pakistan economic corridor. It's not without challenges, rock slides, seasonal closures, and political tensions, but the road endures, a steel ribbon between civilizations, etched into stone. To drive the Karakoram Highway is to witness nature's grandeur and mankind's grit side by side. It's not just a road, it's a journey through time, terrain, and tenacity. This is the Karakoram Highway, where earth meets sky, and legends are still being written.